So by default, you have certain type of inbox. And what you can also do is you can go around and change the type of inbox that you see right here in Gmail. So to do that, you need to go under settings and click on see all settings right here. And once you do that, you can go to the inbox tab. And here you can see that right now promotion and social are turned on, and depending on the inbox type, which is default, you can go around and turn on certain options right here. For example, you can go around, turn on the reading pane, you can show markers or turn it off, and you can also override the filters or don't override filters right here. So I made some changes right here, and you can see that now I got more tabs right here, and you got the reading pane as well. Well, let me just go around, change out the inbox type. So I'm just going to go around, click on see all settings, and then go to inbox. And instead of default, let's just go around and select multiple inboxes. And here you can see that you can add in some filters over here, like is read and is draft, is starred right here. And you can go around and let's say filter it out right here as well, add in more filters, and you can also give it a section name like important right here instead of important mails right here instead of stars right here. And you can go around, change out other sections as well, like you can show 9 conversation per page, or you can show markers and so forth. Now let me just go around, click on save changes, and then go to inbox right here. And now you can see important mails is draft, and you can go around, collapse it and expand it over here, and you see the regular inbox over here as well. So let me just go and click on see all settings and go to inbox right here. And instead of multiple inbox, let's just go around and say priority inbox right here. So you can go around and prioritize it out and select out number of, let's say for example, mails that you see, and set it to unread and so forth. Click on save changes and go to inbox, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around over here on to see all settings once more, and then go to inbox, and I'm going to select our default right here. And then let me just go around and say no split right here, click on save changes, and I have it back the way it was when we started. And that is how you can go around and change the inbox type according to how you want in Gmail, so that you can get access to the mails as you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.